Hello everyone, today I'll guide you through how you can receive money on PayPal. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing, and once you have done it, leave a like on this video. So let's start with this. You can follow this guide on both a mobile device. Or a computer. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our account on PayPal official website, right? And then once we're here, we have a few options to receive money. The first way is very simple. All you need to do is give your PayPal email to the person who wants to send you money. Then what they need to do is just to tap on send, and then they can type in your email here and then type in the amount of money they want to send you. And then it will come to your account. The second method is using a money request. As you can see, next to send, we have this button which says request. All we have to do is press on it, and then here is something reverse. We have to write the email of the person that we want to pay to us. For example, I'm going to use my secondary account as an example. And now we have to add the amount of money we want to ask them, right? So I'm going to put this. And then the only thing that we have to do is to press on request a payment. A notification will pop up on the other person's PayPal, and then they will be able to pay. The third option is sharing your paypal.me link. So this is really simple. Again, the only thing that you have to do is to press on send and request. And once here, we're going to more. Here we have the paypal.me option. If you don't already have a PayPal.me link, you will need to create one. This link is attached to your account, and you can send it to someone who can then click on it and enter the amount they want to send you. So this was all the tutorial. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.